Oh, what's up mga tol, mga pre, mga pare, tayo po ay nagbabalik dito po sa isang panibagong video na kung saan maglalaro nga tayo ng horror game. So baka po natin simulan itong video na to. Kung di pa po kayo nakasubscribe, mag-subscribe ka na at i-share mo na to sa mga tropa mo. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's go! So syempre na malupit tayo doon tayo sa time. Player 1 lang pa tayo. Sige! Dito tayo sa player 1. Join. Tayo na maghintay tayo kasi tayo dapat eh. Okay. Maghintay na tayo kasi dapat 3 players para hindi siya masyadong nakakatakot. Ayan hintayin lang natin to bilis lang to Natalon tayo dito. Diba? Mabilis na to yan na. Ayan na. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. This is it. Midnight Station. Okay, ito tayo Loading the game. Loading pa. Nakakatakot to This is the first time na maglalaro tayo ng horror game dito po sa Roblox. Second time pala yung po na laro na natin dito. Ngayon, tapos na tayo sa mga OB na yan. Doon na tayo sa horror para dito. Hindi siya copyrighted. Eglen Sen Studio. Oh my goodness. This is it. Ay, pamilyar to sa nilaro ni Kuya Chris Oh my goodness, why do you always get stuck with the night shifts? Oh my goodness, story siya. Maybe they have something on the radio. Will be setting my mind about it. Turn on the radio. Emergency broadcast. I got all tonight. You have to be alerted there. There's a killer on the doors. The police do not want anyone to outside tonight to ensure public safety. We thank you for your understanding. Ito na ba simula sa paglalaro ng mga 1-hour game? Please lock your doors and windows. If you see anything suspicious, please report to local authorities ASAP. Turn off the radio. Just my luck. I am sure it's nothing too serious then. Oh my goodness. This is it. Okay. Bababa tayo, I think. Ito na siya. So ngayon, I think nandito yung di ba? Enter. Ating kapalitan natin. Okay. Hey. Hey, finally have you heard that? Yes, I feel bad for you. I'm sure it will be fine. Just another night shift. Whatever you do, I'm sure out here the place of grief is loose. Di samahan mo ako. Also, just between us two, I'm kind of angry. And I have ate a lot of food always. And anyway, see you later. Well, maybe if you're still alive. Nananakot ka pa talaga. Nananakot ka pa. Kuya, huwag mong iwan, kuya. Dito ka lang, huwag mong iwan. Kailangan ko sarado yung pinto. Lock. Go to the back and clock in. Okay, dito tayo sa back. Ito. We need some papel. We need some paper. Kasi nakalagay dito. Castle to. Hindi. Ay, may barrel tayo. Baka sakali, no? Okay. I think ilang buksan to. Desarado ko. Right? Well, I guess I should probably see let's all the food. Oh my goodness. Ang ano naman nito, par? Ang kalat. Now stock the shelves. Well, 8 left. Oh my goodness. We need some restock this. Kailangan ko ma-restock yan, kuya. Ngayon, i-restock ko na, di ba? Then, lalagay ko doon. Nakasarado dito. Ayan. Ngayon, nire-restock ko pa yun dun sa marami pa akong nire-restock eh. Tapos yung box nasa dulo pa. Dalawa siguro pwede na. I think pwede dalawang restock para mabilisan. Sa kabila. Ayan. Tapos dito pa, no? Marami-raming i-restock to, par. Oh my goodness, wala pa bang kinakabahan na ako, par. Feeling ko yun yung lalaki kanina. Yun yung magiging kalaban natin dito, par. Yun talaga. Feeling ko yun talaga yung magiging kalaban natin dito. I feel that yun yung talaga. Yung boss ko, alam mo yung first time maglaro ng horror game sa Roblox. Siyempre, first time talaga. Malay-malay ko. Nilalaro ko parang na horror game yung po eh. Ayan. First stocks pa. Oh my goodness. Ganito dyan kayo. Ngayon, kapag to tapos na, edi okay, tapos na. Ganun. Okay. Feeling ko pwede nang i-stock to. Isa pa talaga, par. Oh my goodness, nakapaka-irap nito, kuya. O, diba? Pabalik-balik lang tayo dito niya hanggang mamaya, par. Hanggang mamaya, babalik-balik lang tayo. Dilim. Napakadilim, par. Natatakot na ako. Wala pa man. Oh my goodness. Feeling ko magugulat ako dito, par. Hindi lang talaga feeling. Talagang magugulat talaga ako dito, kuya. Kuya, magugulat ako dito, par. Ako pa ba? Ako hindi magugulat. Hindi magugulat ako dyan. Stock na lang. Isang stock na lang. Oh my goodness. Natatakot ako, par. Alam mo, hindi naman sa kinakabahan ako, pero first time ko itong maglarong ganito, syempre kakabahan talaga ako. Tapos ako lang mag-isa, syempre. And done. Saan na mangyayari niyan? Dito lang ako. Ayan yun. Wait, what? Yung nag-park. Par, yung itsura niya. Par. Yung itsura niya, par. Laban tayo. Huwag muna tayo paparel. Tol. Yung itsura mo, seryoso ganyan. Like talagang ganyan yung seryoso, yung mukha mo talaga. Talk. Finally. What it took so long. I have been waiting very long. Whatever. Just ring me up already. Okay. The total is $5.57 if you're an old lady. If calling corporate about this experience, put the money in the chat. goodness, this is the first time. Ano nalalagay ito? Ano nalalagay? Nag-usher siya. Usher siya. Ito. Okay. Finally. Yan. Feeling ko yun yung magiging kalaban natin. Meron pa. Dito siya nag-park. Ito mas nakakatakot to, kuya. Pag ganyan yung itsura nila. Ganito ba talaga itsura ng mga to? Like, what? Like yung itsura nila, party na mo. Di ko lang kung ganyan lang talaga. Hey! Guy. Hi. Can you ring me up please? I mean sure, I guess. That will be 7.99. Here you go. Yung pinagtataka ko dito, ba't di nyo sarado yung pinto na maayos? Kasi ako'y natatakot kapag yan hindi nakasarado. I think, ito. Feeling, alam mo yung kada punta ng mga customer, yung kinakabahan ka. Every punta nila. Talk. Those guy, it's red shirt creeping around. Ito na siya. Those the guy in the red shirt creeping around here work here. I'm not sure what you are talking about, mom. I'm speaking different language. A red shirt that keeps walking around here. What? Just forget about it. Just to think how too hard. You know that you should. I just know what I'm supposed to do. The only one. Okay. 20 of gas. Here, keep the change. I'll hit more than me. Wait, what? Why not the customers of Jesus? Because today I have today foodless. Oh my goodness, napaka-scary naman nung bagay na to. Feeling ko yung lalaki talaga na red. Yun yung oh no. Hey you. What are you doing here? A night like this? I were here, told. Okay. Well, you know that is maniac on loose, right? Yeah, I heard the news. You've been warned. We believe that when you're targeting gas station employees, you'll be next. You've been reported wearing a red shirt. It's really ugly. Call police if you see anything suspicious. Feeling ko nag-i-start na to. Just me luck. And the maniac was targeting gas station. Oh my goodness. Start na ba to? Feeling ko start niya. Oh my goodness, I'm supposed to do. Mag-i-start na. Oh my goodness, ano yan? Ito siya, par. Ayan, oh. Picture natin, par. Ayan, oh. Oh my goodness, ito siya, tol. Talk. What are you doing? Are you sulky going man? Oh my goodness. No, move on pa. Paper na ako par. Oh my goodness. Papasok ka, wag kang papasok mo. I'm going to call the cops then. You no need for that. I see you. I see you again soon, very soon. My goodness. Ano yun, par? Par! Par! Ano yun, par? Stop, I tell you, you're in night shift. 7 point R. It's not worth dealing with creeps like him. Later in night shift. Oh my goodness. Seryoso? Like, wow. Kinakabahan ako, par. Yung kaba ko, tol. Ba't di ko man nakukuha kasi map eh? Why? Get them up, sabi dito. Suspicious yun. Nakakatakot naman yun. Pero yun nga guys, sana po nag-enjoy po kayo sa video na to. Hindi ko siya tatapusin muna. May part 2 pa siguro to. Pero yun nga para sa araw na to. Kasi muli, paalam.